Welcome to INEHub, your trusted source for expert reviews and insights in the world of online earning. Let's dive into the latest update from the crypto space. If you don't already have a KuCoin account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. KuCoin, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, has yet another exciting announcement to share with its global community. The platform proudly introduces the world premiere listing of Plume, the token powering Plume Protocol. Plume Protocol is a decentralized, community-driven platform revolutionizing token ecosystems. Its focus? Delivering seamless, secure, and scalable infrastructure to power Web3 innovation. Starting now, Plume tokens are officially available on KuCoin for trading. Users can explore the token in its paired market, Plume USDT. Whether you're an experienced trader or just beginning your crypto journey, KuCoin makes it easy for everyone to access this promising project. With KuCoin, you gain access to a secure, user-friendly platform trusted by millions worldwide. Dive into the Plume market with real-time updates, competitive fees, and robust trading tools. Be a part of this world premiere event and discover how Plume Protocol is driving the future of decentralized innovation. Start trading Plume on KuCoin today. Click the link below to join the movement. Stay ahead in the crypto world with INEHub. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and expert insights. See you in the next video.